Hello everyone, I'm an MBChB student here at Texila American University, and as you can see, I'm standing outside the Dissection Lab because I recently started our dissections. Earlier on, we were just looking at the model, so it wasn't easy to correlate what we're learning in the classroom with whatever was on the models. But now that we have hand-on experience on the cadavers, it's easy to track these structures. And I know once we go for our clinical rotations, it'll be easy to correlate between what we learned through the cadavers. And it's very easy for us to go through the body because we have very experienced doctors who help us track these structures detail by detail. So today we're looking at the abdomen and the pelvic region. And I must say this region is quite fascinating because when you look at the structures and how they're coursing through the body, you get to be astonished and say, oh wow, so this is actually what the body looks like on the inside. And I can remember my first day in the dissection lab, I was really excited to start the dissections, but unfortunately that day would just be oriented on everything. I'm so happy I've reached this stage in my medical journey, and I can't wait to see what comes next.